Hello everyone. Today is 29 September 2021. Our today's topic is containment in Java. Before discuss about today's topic, I am going to introduce myself. My name is Gajan Hanman Surose. I am from Usmanabad. I have completed Bachelor of Engineering in Mechanical at Pune University. Also, I have completed diploma at Latur. So, we will return to our topic. So what is meant by containment? Containment is a part of object oriented program. It is uh, it is also known as has a type relationship. Suppose we have car class and engine class, then we say car has a engine. um, it is an example of containment. uh, Containment is a has a type relationship which is implemented as uh, containment. There are two types of containment, and first is composition and second is aggregation. And then we will see about aggregation. So what is meant by aggregation? Aggregation, if a class have entity references, it is known as aggregation. Aggregation represents as a type relationship. Consider a situation. Employee objects contain many information such as id, name, email id, etc. It contains one more object named address, which contains on information such as city, state, country, pin code, etc. So aggregation is used for reusability of code. Then uh, in aggregation, code reuse is also best achieved by aggregation when uh, there is no is a relationship. Inheritance should be used only if the relationship is throughout the lifetime of the objects involved. Otherwise aggregation is best choice. Mm, second type is a composition. The composition is a way to design or implement the has a relationship. Composition and inheritance both are design techniques. The inheritance is used to implement the is a relationship, and the has a relationship is used to ensure the code reusability in a program. In composition, we can use instance variable that refers to another object. The composition relationship of two object is possible when one object contains another object and that object is fully dependent. Then the composition represents a part of a relationship. Both entities are related to each other in the composition. So all it is about containment in Java. Thank you.